Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We're going to be covering HBAR in this video. I'm going to keep it nice, short, sweet, and simple because I don't want to waste your time. We're going to jump right into it. HBAR is down almost 4% today. And ideally, we sell a falling wedge. I kind of go ahead and took away those trend lines because, it didn't really respect it how we wanted it to. Maybe it came back and tested it, which is good. And it just didn't have the explosiveness that I thought it would. But we did make a new low, or a higher low, and now I want to see if we can stay above that higher low. I want to make a continuous higher low. So as long as we can stay above around that 16.3, then we're good. We have like around a cent of room to kind of push. We have decreasing volume, which is good, that it is showing me that the buyer or the sellers are losing control. So ideally we want to stay above, kind of pop up and maybe continue. Ideally we make a new high. Seeing a lot of speculation about there's a lot. Bitcoin's going to make Bitcoin has to make a decision within the next few days. I'll keep you guys posted, but really HBAR, nothing crazy again on the daily chart. We really just got to keep above that 16.3 price level. And again, on the weekly time frame, we have 6 days left, so we have very little volume. Again, ideally we don't want to make a new low from this previous candle. And if we do, it's all good. We still have some support down at around 14.5, even maybe 14. But if we break that, we're most likely going to come down probably to 11, between 11 and 12. Not the best, but it is what it is. You got to make the most of it. Everything's red, and buy on the dip. When you're starting and when you're averaging and people buy. And they think of buying the dip as just, whenever it's down, you buy that. You have to think of it as a whole new position. It depends how long you want to hold it. Let's say, for me, if it drops 10% in one day, I'll buy something. I'll buy some of it. And if it drops more than that, I'll continue to buy more and more and more and more. But as it's dropping, I usually wait for my bigger sizes when I jump into these plays. I'll wait for a consolidation sideways, and then I will buy the dip. That's how you're really supposed to buy the dip. But I also have a strategy, like in cryptocurrencies, usually when a stock shoots up or shoots down like 10-15%, usually can't stay down there very long. And that's why I like to, trade it. No, it's not really trading. I'm just buying it. And it's like, okay, let's go. Yeah, but on the hourly chart, we are in a nice downtrend. We had a rundown pullback, another rundown pullback. So it kind of looks like, excuse me, guys. We really got to kind of maybe round off. Hopefully, maybe break in between this 9 and 20 EMA and continue higher. Again, we have a nice downtrend, and ideally, we want to crack that. So ideally, if we can actually make a new low, or keep this low, and then maybe bounce and make a higher low before breaking this with increasing volume, that would be a good way to trade this. Again, I'm on the hour chart for HBAR. If you guys do want to catch in this play, and then obviously your stop loss would be below this previous low, and so forth. This would be a price target, and that would be a price target. Anyways, this is not really much of a signal because you got to really make that decision on yourself. I'm just identifying a play or a strategy that you can take. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Love y'all. Peace.